Hello folks, we're back with the next video of this problem number 13 where they're giving us the ellipse and they're telling us to find the tangents which are parallel to the x-axis and parallel to the y-axis. Now ellipse is nothing new to us, we've learned it last year, so we'll just see how this curve looks. It's like this. Probably it could be, the ellipse could be having like its major axis is on the y-axis, so probably it should be like this. This could be our ellipse. Then they tell us for this particular ellipse, find out the tangent which is parallel to the x-axis. Maybe something like this, and parallel to the y-axis means something like this. These two tangents we have to find. Now we all know, by now we are very well aware that when we talk about the tangent, anyhow we have to get dy by dx. So we will get dy by dx and then make it equal to the slope, etc., and that's how it works. Now when they say that the tangent is parallel to the x-axis, that means the tangent slope of the tangent is equal to the slope of the x-axis, and if it is parallel to the y-axis, slope of the tangent is equal to the slope of the y-axis. So both these slopes in the earlier problem we have done, so we'll be just having that little bit of idea about it, that x-axis has got the equation y equal to 0, so its slope is 0. So also y-axis has got the equation x equal to 0, and that way its slope is not defined, it's infinity. So whenever they say that the tangent is parallel to the x-axis, means dy by dx equal to 0, and when the tangent is parallel to the y-axis means dy by dx is infinity. This much we have to keep in mind. Now this is just the base of the problem, now for you to understand what it is. Now we can actually go on to the problem by finding the dy by dx. So let's take this problem and find the dy by dx. X squared by 9 plus y squared by 16 equal to 1. For x squared by 9, 1 by 9 is a coefficient. For x squared, the derivative is 2x. 1 by 16 as it is, derivative of y squared is 2y, and dy by dx, derivative of 1 is 0, we all know it. So that way we are getting, we will be able to get the dy by dx. Let's have the dy by dx. 2y by 16 is equal to minus 2x by 9 because it goes on the other side. Then we'll work out what is dy by dx. dy by dx is minus 2x by 9 by 2y by 16. Let's 2 can cancel, of course. Let's kind of rearrange it. So it will be minus 16x by 9y. That is your dy by dx. Now our work is to find have that part 1 and part 2. We have two subparts. In the very first subpart of the question, they tell us that the tangent is parallel to the x-axis. They are saying that tangent is parallel to the x-axis. So means what? It means that its slope, that is the tangent's slope, is equal to the slope of the x-axis. Slope of the tangent is dy by dx and slope of the x-axis is 0. So that way now we can equate and see how it works. So you have your dy by dx as minus 16x by 9y equal to 0. So you can have the 9y going on the other side. So you have minus 16x equal to 0. Minus 16 can go on the other side, like that x is 0. They have asked us to find the point. So since you know x is 0, we can find the point. So how do we find the point? If x is 0, therefore 0 squared by 9 plus y squared by 16 is 1. This part is gone. So y squared by 16 is 1. Y is plus or minus 4. Therefore, the point is 0 plus or minus 0, 4 and 0 minus 4, like that. Actually 0, 4 and 0 minus 4. These are the 2 points. So that was for the first sub question where the tangent is parallel to the x-axis. Now the second case where the tangent is parallel to the y-axis. So therefore there its slope will become equal to the slope of the y-axis. So like that, dy by dx, slope of the y-axis is infinity. So it is minus 16x by 9y equal to infinity. Now we all know that the fraction becomes infinite when the denominator is 0. So that's the logic that you have to take. So that way 9y is 0, which means y is 0. Now in this case, if y is 0, we can substitute these values in this expression. So what will come? It will come to x squared by 9 plus 0 equal to 1. So x squared equal to 9, x is plus or minus 3. So in this case, the points are 3, 0 and minus 3, 0. That's it. They ask us the points. We have done parts of this here and there that we are bringing it together, and then we are trying to get what the point is. That's all about this question. Now we'll go to the 14th question, where there are many sub questions. So one by one we'll take one sub question at a time and we'll try to complete it. Thank you.